Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let's begin. As you settle into this space, feel the gentle rhythm of your breath moving through you. Notice how your body begins to soften with each exhale, releasing any tension you may not have realized you were holding. You are safe here, in this moment, exactly as you are. Bring your awareness to the crown of your head, that point where you meet the world above. Now, slowly, let your attention drift down through your forehead, your eyes, your jaw, allowing each muscle to release its story. Feel your shoulders drop, your chest open, your spine lengthen with each inhale. And with each exhale, feel yourself sinking deeper into this state of calm receptivity. On with each inhale, and with each exhale, feel yourself sinking deeper into this state of calm receptivity. And now, allow your mind to drift back to a moment in your life when you felt truly inspired. Perhaps it was a time when an idea flowed effortlessly, when you lost track of time, when you were completely absorbed in the act of creation. If it's say that moment now, in your mind's eye, with all its colors, its shapes, its textures. Now, hear the sounds that were present, maybe your own breath, or the hum of the world around you. And most importantly, feel that feeling, that surge of excitement, that clarity, that sense of being in the flow. Let that feeling grow stronger, more vivid, as if it is happening right now, in this very moment. Notice where this feeling resides in your body. Is it a warmth in your chest? A tingling in your hands? A lightness in your head? Whatever it is, simply observe it and let it expand. You are now accessing a resourceful state of pure creativity, a state that is always available to you, always within reach. And as you breathe into this feeling, you are anchoring it deeply into your nervous system so that you can return to it whenever you choose. With each breath, you are deepening this anchor, linking the sensation of inspiration to the rhythm of your inhale and exhale. This is your creative sanctuary, a place where every idea is welcome, where every possibility exists simultaneously. Look around you. You might see stars forming patterns, or colors swirling like liquid light, or perhaps you sense the presence of a gentle breeze carrying whispers of inspiration, deeds of provide. There is no judgment here, no limitation, only the pure, unbounded energy of creation, and you are at the center of it, the creator, the channel, the vessel through which this energy flows. Now, allow your subconscious mind to bring forward an image, a symbol, or a word that represents the creative flow you are now experiencing. It might be a river, a flame, a tree, or a simple light. Whatever it is, let it emerge naturally, without effort. And as you hold this symbol in your awareness, feel its energy merging with yours. You are becoming one with this flow, this endless source of inspiration. Your mind is opening, your heart is expanding, your spirit is awakening to the truth that creativity is your birthright. With every breath, you are releasing old patterns of doubt, of self-criticism, of fear. You are letting go of the belief that creativity is reserved for a select few. You are reclaiming your natural state of innovation. I am a fountain of creative energy, flowing endlessly and effortlessly. My mind is a garden where every seed of thought blooms into a masterpiece. I am open to receiving inspiration from every corner of the universe, and I trust the process of creation. My ideas are unique, valuable, and meant to be expressed. I am a vessel for innovation, and I allow new possibilities to flow through me. Creativity is my natural state, and I embrace it fully, right now. With each inhale, I draw in the energy of infinite potential. With each exhale, I release any resistance to my creative expression. My imagination knows no bounds, and I give myself permission to explore, to play, to experiment. I am not afraid of the unknown. I am curious, excited, and open. Every challenge is an invitation to create something new. Every obstacle is a canvas for my ingenuity. I am resourceful, resilient, and endlessly inspired. With each inhale, I draw in the energy of infinite potential. It is discovered earlier. Let it grow stronger, more vibrant, as you repeat these words silently to yourself. I am a creator. I am inspired. I am in flow, with will truth resonating in every cell of you. Imagine now that you are holding a key in your hand, a key made of pure light. Place this key represents your ability to unlock any creative block, to access your deepest inspiration at will. Place this key over your heart and feel it merge with the light there. Oh, whenever you need to tap into your creativity, you simply touch this space and the door opens. We have created a powerful anchor, a resource that is always with you. You are become Tishet, breathe. You might notice a sense of expansion, a lightness, a feeling of being more alive. This is the energy of creativity flowing through you, clearing away old patterns, making way for the new. The feel the true creative nature, and with each passing moment, this alignment deepens effortlessly, naturally. Feel the joy, the satisfaction, the fulfillment of being in your creative flow. Feel the joy, and with each passing moment, this alignment deepens effortlessly, naturally. Oh, 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 Now, I invite you to bring to mind a specific area of your life where you wish to express more creativity. Oh, 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 oh. It could be your work, your relationships, your hobbies, or your personal growth. See yourself in that area, fully expressing your unique gifts, your original ideas. Oh, take a moment now to express gratitude. Thank your creative self for being present, for guiding you, for showing you the way. Thank the universe for the endless flow of inspiration that surrounds you. Thank your body for supporting you, your mind for opening, your spirit for soaring. And with this gratitude, feel a deep sense of peace, of wholeness, of readiness. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the surface beneath you, the air on your skin, the subtle sounds around you, and gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing life back to your extremities. And when you feel ready, take a deep, refreshing breath in, and as you exhale, open your eyes, carrying with you the light, the inspiration, and the creative power that is now yours. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into